मुंबई, सपनों का शहर। मुंबई जो जाता है वो वहीं का हो जाता है, लेकिन बीते कुछ दिनों में या बीते कुछ महीनों में सपने बिखरे जा रहे हैं। मुंबई में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा स्लम है धारावी। Dharavi is a locality in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, considered to be one of the Asia's largest slums. Dharavi has an area of just over 2.1 square kilometers and a population of about 10 lakhs. मुंबई में अभी इंडिया के सबसे ज़्यादा कोरोना केसेस हैं और लॉकडाउन के कारण बहुत लोगों को ठीक से खाना नहीं मिल पा रहा है, जिसके कारण लोग अपने घरों की ओर दौड़ने के लिए मजबूर हैं। दुख यहीं तक सीमित नहीं था। हाल ही में आए निसर्ग तूफान के कारण मुंबई को भारी नुकसान झेलना पड़ रहा है। मुंबई के सीएम ने ऑफिस को ढंग से देखा तक नहीं और उनके सामने इतनी कठिनाइयां आ गई। आशा करते हैं जल्द से जल्द ये सब ठीक हो जाए। नदी के बहाव के कारण एक जहाज़ डूब चुका है और कई घरों को नुकसान भी पहुंचा है। बिजली का भी यही हाल है, कई दिनों से गुल रहती है। ऐसा तूफान मुंबई में 100 सालों के बाद आया है, या यूँ कहा जाए कि 129 सालों में यह पहला तूफान है। उस समय भी जान और मान की हानि हुई थी और आज भी लोगों को परेशानी हो रही है। आज हम सब इसी तूफान के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। आखिर क्या है ये निसर्ग, क्यों 129 सालों के बाद ये फिर एक बार मुंबई से लेकर गुजरात तक छाया हुआ है। Nisarg cyclone has left trails of destruction and has claimed 6 lives in Maharashtra. On Wednesday, Nisarg made its landfall off Alibag coast in Rigat district and then swept through Pune district's city areas and urban landscapes. With a speed of approximately 120 km per hour, Nisarg cyclone is also likely to affect major areas of Nagpur and also the city of Gujarat. At the time of Alibag, the wind speed was recorded to be approximately of 100 to 110 km per hour. But as we are seeing, it is gradually keeping to increase. It is estimated that it will move northeastwards and make a cyclonic storm during the next 3 hours. Cyclone Nisarg has officially declared as a cyclonic storm by the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) after it is intensified from a deep depression on Tuesday afternoon. It is currently located 450 km southwest of the Mumbai. Experts have said that pre-monsoon cyclones have become more common phenomenon in Arabian Sea. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology has said that Cyclone Nisarg would be the second pre-monsoon cyclone to hit the Maharashtra coast in 129 years and the first of having been in May 1961. अगर हम गुजरात को एक्सक्लूड कर देते हैं, फिर भी ये फोर्थ साइक्लोन होगा जो वेस्ट कोस्ट से टकराएगा ड्यूरिंग प्री मानसून मंथ, with the previous instinct recorded on May 1932, May 1941 and May 1961. All these above analysis is carried out by senior scientist of IITM Dr. Roxy Matthew, जो हिस्ट्री में हुए सारे तूफान की एनालिस्ट हैं। Experts have stated the examples of very severe cyclone Vayu, which have developed the last years and ended at a low pressure system over Gujarat. We are observing the increase in pre-monsoon cyclones in Arabian Sea. While we should not draw a trend until observing such a weaker system for at least a few years, the formation of cyclone Nisarg should not be called as a rare event. However, we are addressing whether these systems are intensifying faster than before due to the numerous factors including rising ocean temperatures, said Sunita Devi, the in charge of cyclones at IMD. Government has claimed that the cyclone has passed and there is nothing to worry about. As far as the pre-monsoon cyclones are concerned, it should be developed again at any interval of time. What the government should do is that to take preventive measures to save the lives. In a few ways, the government could do to make situations better about foretelling the cyclone is developing. Also, a recent study has shown that planting trees could prevent cyclonic damage. We don't have to wait until the wet season to improve and protect our home.